Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the iPhone system services that needs to turn off now. So let's get started. So you need to turn off these iPhone system services. Open your settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap privacy and security. Next, tap location services and scroll all the way down to select system services. And here, you'll see a long list of options that constantly use your location and drain your battery. You can safely turn it off, like location based alerts, turn off location based suggestion, iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, improve maps, and significant location. If you want to save even more battery, scroll to the bottom and turn off status bar icon. And this hides the location arrow from showing up constantly. And that's it. You've reduced background tracking, saved battery, and made your iPhone more private. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.